Dropped us on the wrong location, but yeah, hopefully we are managing. From the government official website, this is called the 3D sister, a wife, girlfriend, a boyfriend, and many more stuff, man. This island. So hi friends, this is the first place, Palm View. We are going upstairs for an awesome and beautiful view. I hope you can see me and see the place. It's huge, man. It's huge. And hopefully, we're gonna make it on time because we are getting a little late because of the cab driver. I think he dropped us on the wrong location. कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर? But yeah, hopefully we are managing. So catch you soon, man. As you can see, it's too busy right now to take a proper shot, but not to worry. I don't have to book the tickets, so yeah, if you book your tickets in advance from the government official website, you get good discounts and you will like it for sure. And I have to ask, where is the entrance? That's the museum view, you can see. Like, it will tell you the whole history apart from that video. You can check like how the progression was made from 2001 to 2006 and how things were developed during that time. And when I saw the documentary, it was amazing. 6, it was like this. 4, 5, it was like this. 4, it was like that. And 3, and then it goes on. This is called the 3D aquarium. As you can see, we have reached the heights of Dubai. You want to say? See that now. These are the heights we have reached, the Palm View. As you can see, I can see the lot of detailing from here. I can see the cars, I can see the traffic, buildings, sunset, boats, and lot of other things. Like, I think just I'm seeing from one perspective. If I see from other perspective, I can see lot of other things. Like, it's amazing. Like the field, the weather. I don't think so. I'm missing London, but obviously, it's. I think something has its own because these are like man-made islands. On the other hand, London is like more of a old architecture, has a deep history. But I think this country, I think Dubai, this state, has a big future. So obviously, enjoy. Come here, see this view. Come with your family members, close ones, brother, sister, a wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, like anything.
कौन है ये लोग कहाँ से आते हैं
So just enjoy the view and see the sunset. These things are really beautiful. I must say, you should come to this place, this viewpoint. I think there are different perspective. You can see the things. You can see a lot of. How can I explain? Like car parking, stars, buildings, lights, and many more stuff, man. This island, I think I'll be honest with you. Now I'm loving this thing more than London. After seeing this view, I can just remember I am Titanic. David Guetta's live performance on the 7-star hotel. You know what's the name? Okay, write the name on the comments. So that's a beautiful place. Comment down what are your thoughts on this, and if you want to have some more this kind of videos. Sun is going down, so I think we have to cut our video now. But obviously we're gonna come back with more content. So stay tuned, stay connected. My name is Pulkit Arora.